My dear children, this is the continuation of the same chapter, module 7. In this chapter, we are going to discuss some points to remember. Python 3.x version will provide print as a function, whereas Python's other versions like 2.1, 2, 3 like that, it will have a print as statement. Python is a case sensitive language, that is, it will treat smaller and uppercase letters different. That is, smaller m and capital M will be treated differently in Python. We can use up arrow or down arrow to select previous command and press enter to recall and execute. Print statement is required only while working with the script mode. Otherwise, in interactive mode, values can be printed out without print statement. That is, the main use of print happens only in the script mode, not in the interactive mode. Let me ask some questions. What will be the output of the following code? This is my first program, which begins with hash. Sample of basic statements. Again, it begins with hash. Hash print watch out. Then print Johnny, Johnny is Papa. Print no Papa. So, what will be the output? My dear children, can you predict what is the output of the given query or given instruction? Did the compiler print the first line? No. Second line? No. Third line? No. Why? Because all the three lines begins with a hash. So what will be the output? The output will be Johnny, Johnny is Papa. On the second line it will print no Papa. Why? Because all the above three lines begins with a hash. So hash is considered to be a comment. It is not for any of the execution. Which of the following are not a valid string in Python? Consider A. Sayonara is the string given. It is enclosed in double quote, so it is a valid one. Second one, that is B. It is enclosed in single quote. It is also a valid one. Look at the third one. It begins with a double quote but ends up with a single quote. So it is not valid or invalid. Similarly, the fourth one also. And the fifth one, it is enclosed. A string is enclosed within brackets. That is also not considered to be a string. Why? Because all the strings must be enclosed either in double quotes or in single quotes. Then only the Python interpreter will take it as a string. Otherwise, it will provide only error message. My dear children, could you please answer for all these questions? Who developed Python programming? Is Python object-oriented language? Python is a high-level language, that is interpreted language. What does it means? What does cross-platform means? My dear children, please find the answers for all these questions in your text. Not from the module which I had given, not from the PPT which I had given. You need to refer your text only. Within the text, you will have text back questions or lesson back questions. Within that, all these question answers are there. Please refer the text. Python is free and open source. What do you understand by this feature? What is the difference in interactive mode and script mode in Python? Try to answer all these questions in your note. Please write the answers in your note by reading the text. Thank you.